An apartment with historic charm has been revitalized through a comprehensive renovation that honors its classic features while introducing contemporary elements. With high ceilings, decorative door and window frames, and geometric pattern tiles, the space has been reimagined to create an open and vibrant environment, offering both comfort and style. The renovation started with a focus on maintaining the apartment's distinctive details, including its high ceilings and ornate door and window frames. These features provided the backdrop for a transformation that kept the spirit of the era alive while meeting modern needs. To maximize natural light, the renovation team removed interior walls, allowing large windows to illuminate the space. The redesign included the removal of rigid partitions that previously divided the apartment into smaller, enclosed spaces. This approach created a single, expansive living area, which is easily adaptable for various purposes. A textile door allows a portion of the living area to be isolated, providing a versatile space for a private study or an additional guest room. This flexibility is key to the apartment's new design, catering to a range of lifestyles and needs. The apartment's kitchen and bathroom were both recently renovated but lacked a cohesive design. The new renovation addressed this by creating an isolatable guest area complete with its own bathroom and a balcony overlooking the inner courtyard. This area provides privacy for visitors while maintaining a connection to the main living space, enhancing the apartment's functionality and appeal. A critical aspect of the renovation was the selection of materials and colors that blend seamlessly with the existing decorative elements. The new rooms feature a continuous and neutral flooring that transitions smoothly into the original concrete and terrazzo floors. This choice creates a harmonious flow throughout the apartment, emphasizing the restored historical features while introducing modern comfort. The design team used bold and saturated colors to highlight the apartment's decorative elements, creating a visually striking environment. This bold palette, combined with the open floor plan and abundant natural light, results in an immersive and dynamic living space. The creation of longitudinal and transverse perspectives offers residents constantly changing views as they move through the apartment, adding to the sense of spaciousness and versatility. Ultimately, this renovation achieves a balance between historical charm and modern design. The apartment's transformation into a more open and flexible space makes it ideal for contemporary living while preserving the character and elegance of its past. This project serves as a successful example of how classic architectural elements can be integrated with modern design principles to create a unique and inviting home.